Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this exponential equation 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 68, or 8 to the power x can be written as 2 to the power x whole cube plus this 2 to the power x, and taking this 68 to left side we can write negative 68 is equal to 0. Or if we consider 2 to the power x as m, we can write m cube plus 2 to the power x is m minus 68 is equal to 0. Here m is equal to 2 to the power x. Or m cube plus m, 68 can be written as negative 64 minus 4 is 68 is equal to 0. Or rearranging it, we can write m cube minus 64 plus this m minus 4 is equal to 0. Or m cube minus 64 is 4 cube plus m minus 4 is equal to 0. Or applying formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, we can write it as m minus 4 times m square plus m times 4 plus 4 square, plus taking common 1 from m minus 4 we will have 1 of m minus 4 is equal to 0. Or if we take common m minus 4 from these two terms, we can write m minus 4 times this m square plus m times 4 is 4m plus 4 square is 16 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or m minus 4 times m square plus 4m plus 16 plus 1 is 17 is equal to 0. So we can write m minus 4 is 0, or m square plus 4m plus 17 is equal to 0. Or taking this 4 to right side, we will have m is equal to 4. Or substituting the value of m is equal to 2 to the power x, we can write 2 to the power x is equal to 4 is equal to 2 square. Here base are same, so this power will be equal. We can write the value of x is equal to 2. Again from here m square plus 4m plus 17 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. The determinant of this equation is b square minus 4ca. Here b is 4, so 4 square minus 4 times c is 17 times a is 1 is equal to 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 times 17 is 68 is equal to 16 minus 68 is negative 52. Here negative 52 is less than 0, as the determinant is negative, so there is no real root. So there is no real root of this equation. So the only real root of this equation is x is equal to 2. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.